Let's continue discussing through the qualities of a great skill. If you haven't checked out the previous videos I've been posting, now's probably a good time to spend a few minutes reviewing the overview as well as other characteristics of a great skill. If you have, let's get started. Another common characteristic of a great skill is that it's easy to use and that the interaction is natural and straightforward. If you think about traditional user interactions with screens, there are some things that can be a little more challenging that would be much simpler in a conversation. For example, how about a complicated calculation? Alexa, what is pi times 7.432 divided by 0.973?
Pi times 7.432 divided by 0.973 is 23.99621439.
Or how about checking your calendar? Alexa, check my schedule.
Here are the next 4 events. On Monday, June 4th, at 9 a.m. there's invoices. At 10 a.m. there's daily Scrum call. At 10 a.m. there's daily technical stand-up meeting, LTP. And at 3 p.m. there's technical meeting with Bahia Principe. Do you want to hear more?
No thanks. Appointments, arithmetic, and math, sending an email, answering a phone, turning on lights, finding your phone, finding your keys, the list goes on and on. There are tons and tons of examples where a conversation actually makes things a lot easier. Just like with people, good conversations tend to be exciting and engaging. If you are a great listener and have a pretty good memory, you can recall your recent conversations and pick them up right where you left off last time. You may ask about them and some interesting situation going on in their lives. When you are developing a skill, it's a great way to add some personality, humor, and originality to what you are creating and implementing. So you should definitely factor these concepts into creating your skill. A good way to remember a conversation and keep track of it is by saving valuable information of that interaction to a database. Amazon Alexa skills often save their information to a NoSQL database called DynamoDB. If you aren't familiar with what that is and how it works, we're going to dig into that in the later session. But for the meantime, just keep in mind that this is a service that allows you to pick up things where you left them off. The last thing I want to mention is that Amazon is currently providing a promotional credit for any skills that you publish. So we're going to talk about the publishing process again later in the course, but for the meantime, just keep in mind that you can apply to receive a $100 AWS promotional credit and an additional $100 per month in credit.